Did you know nearly half of all engine failures are caused by your cooling system? Yeah, 40 to 50%. That means your engine could be running perfectly until the cooling system throws in the towel and takes everything down with it. And the worst part? Most of those failures were 100% preventable. Imagine this, you're cruising on the highway, windows down, music up, when suddenly your temperature gauge spikes. You smell something burning. Boom, you're stranded. Engine cooked. Wallet crying. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulletproof your cooling system so your car runs like new and your engine stays out of the repair shop. Stick around because what you don't know will cost you. Fire tip number 1. Choose the right coolant and change it regularly. Coolant isn't just colorful juice. It's the lifeblood of your cooling system. Keeps your engine from overheating and protects against corrosion. But here's the catch. Not all coolants are created equal. Using the wrong type, that can destroy your radiator and even damage your engine. Some cars take traditional green coolant. Others need extended life formulas like DexCool, Orange. Check your owner's manual and use a 50-50 mix of antifreeze and distilled water. Oh, and don't wait forever to replace it. Old coolant breaks down and turns into rust soup. If it smells funky or looks murky, time for a flush. Neglect this, and you could be one breakdown away from a blown engine. Here, tip number 2. Watch that thermostat like a hawk. The thermostat is tiny but mighty. It controls how much coolant flows to the engine. If it gets stuck closed, your engine overheats. If it gets stuck open, your car runs too cold, hurting fuel economy. Warning signs? Temperature gauge bouncing. Heater not working right. Engine running hot even though coolant's full. Replace it before it fails. Use a high-quality OEM part, not the bargain bin brand that quits early. Test tube tip number 3. Inspect radiator hoses and clamps. Your radiator hoses are like arteries. If one bursts, your engine can overheat in seconds. Every couple of months, give them a squeeze. If they're soft, cracked, or leaking near the clamps, replace them. A $20 hose beats a $2,000 repair every single time. Take care of your cooling system, and your engine will reward you with smooth, reliable performance for years to come. No overheating, no surprise breakdowns, just smart driving and serious savings. If this video helped you dodge a disaster, or just made you feel more in control, tap that like button and subscribe. We're here to help you drive smarter, save more, and never get ripped off again. Got questions or your own pro tip? Drop it in the comments. We read every one. Until next time, stay safe, stay savvy, and keep that engine cool. Auto Repair.